This is a magic. I'll explain the physics later. First see the experiment. I have this conical flask and hot boiling water I have trapped in it. I have put the conical flask on a heater with some water in it, and when the water started boiling I put this cork. So after that it became very hot, and I cannot touch it by hand, it's so hot. Now see what I am doing. I am holding it, it's very hot water but not boiling, and I am putting cold water on it. See, this is cold water I am putting on it. See what is happening now? It has started boiling. It was not boiling before. I put cold water in it and it started boiling. How come? For boiling people heat water. I am cooling it and still it is boiling. Now it has stopped boiling. You see? Is it boiling now? Is it boiling now? It has settled down. It is not boiling. Let me put more water in it and see. I have put more cold water. It has started boiling again. Is it a magic? By putting cold water on the flask, it is. Am I putting cold water? Check Durga. Yeah, is it cold or hot? Cold. Yes, I am putting cold water in it, not hot water. So by putting cold water on this flask, the water starts boiling again, once again. This is what, third time or fourth time? It's getting colder and colder and still it is boiling. That's the magic. So what is happening? Initially I boiled this water on the heater, no cork there, so steam was coming out. It displaced all air. All air was displaced, and then I put this red cork on it. So what was there on water inside the flask? Only steam, because the water was boiling and the steam was coming out, the air was expelled, and when the air was expelled only steam was there. I put this cork, so it was only vapor. And then what I did, I put cold water on this flask. It was vapor inside and I put cold water on it. So what will happen to vapor? When I put cold water, vapor will condense to water and will mix with the main mass of the water. So that now there is nothing. Air had gone earlier out, and this steam has converted into water. So there is nothing on water. So no pressure. After all, air is air or vapor. Something should be there to exert pressure. So the pressure is very, very small. And at this small pressure, the boiling point of water decreases. And if pressure is very low, the boiling point decreases from 100 degrees to almost 40-45 degrees. So my water may be at say 80 degrees or 70 degrees or 60 degrees. When there is no pressure, the boiling point is 40-45. So it boils. And when I stop, when I keep it for some time, again it warms up, some steam gets into that space, pressure increases, again the boiling point rises and it stops boiling. Then I put more water on it. When I put more water on this space above the water again becomes empty, because the vapor has condensed once again. The boiling point is 40-45 degrees. And the temperature is more than that, say 50 or 55, it again boils. This way you can keep boiling it by cooling. So boiling not by heating, boiling by cooling. Now it's very cold, not very cold but very little warm you can say. And see, once again you see, even at this time, now I am holding with hand, no handkerchief needed. See, I am holding it by hand. It's not hot, it's just lukewarm. And still when I am putting water, it is boiling even at this temperature. You can do the reverse. If you increase the pressure, the boiling point will increase. That is what we do in pressure cooker. We trap the steam, don't allow it to go out, and the temperature, boiling temperature increases and the food gets cooked early.